Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching. Today's video is going to be my memory plan with me for the week of November 2nd through the 8th in my medium vertical recollections planner. The kit that you are seeing that I'm using for this week is from the Giving Girl. I have already planned the week out and, kind of pre-planned my plans for the week. And I already filmed that video, so if you want to check out that video, I'll have it linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can watch that video if you'd rather see how I got to this point. But in this video, I'm going to go ahead and go in day by day with the leftovers from my kit and some stickers that I already have, and just fill in all these little, blank spots that are just left white in my planner. I leave those there so that I can memory plan. So that is what we're doing today. Let's get started with Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and start by grabbing one of these little quarter boxes from the kit. And I'm not going to use any icon or anything because I just didn't really know what to use for that. But that box is just to mark that my in-laws came over on Monday so that they could help us clean out some of the trash in the backyard with their truck, because they're going to be getting rid of their truck. And so they want to take care of the old stuff that's in the back there. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a divider by Sadie stickers, because I thought that would look pretty there. Yeah, so we just had some old stuff in the backyard that actually it was, honestly, I don't even know what was back there. It was already back there when I moved into this house, because this house that we live in was my husband. He owned it before he met me. So I think there was an old desk and just I don't know, some stuff they just kind of threw back there and never got to take it to the dump. So they came over to help us with the backyard. Okay, so this is my third or fourth attempt trying to record a voiceover, and it's not working. Don't you just love when you're literally sitting here talking to yourself and then you stop the clip, stop recording for a second, and then the freaking clip just disappears into oblivion and you're like, oh, cool. I just spent 5 minutes talking to myself and now I have to repeat everything I said and then take that and do it 3 more times, because that's what I've just done and I'm so sick of it. Anyways, I'm so sick of this. I swear to God, y'all. I was having problems uploading my next week's plan with me too on Monday, because Sunday night I was editing it until midnight, and then I was like, I'll just wake up early tomorrow and, do it or whatever. And then I did. I woke up 7:30 in the morning on Monday so I could get this video uploaded. Sorry, not this video, but the next week's video. And then it only exported half of the video. I don't know why. I didn't even notice. It was only a 22-minute video when it's a 55-minute video. Which, this is weird. This video is 22 minutes. Anyways, though, it was it didn't, I don't, and all the audio was gone. I was like, what the hell happened? So clearly it didn't export correctly. So I didn't notice that. So I uploaded the video to YouTube, but I didn't make it public. I was editing it and stuff, and I was like, wait, why is this a 22-minute video? So then I had to export it and upload it again, which took another 3 hours. And yeah, I've had quite a day. But anyways, that's not this plan with me. I'm working on this Monday the 2nd. So I don't know what I've said. I need to stop the audio clip to see if I've just been talking to myself again or if it actually recorded it this time. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay, it appears it's working. That's really weird though. It sounds like the microphone got better quality or something weird. I don't know. Anyways, so we're moving on to Tuesday here, and I didn't even tell you what I was doing Monday. I took a page flag from the kit and then a mandala from Honey Inked, and I cut it in half and put it in each corner. Then I took some dots from the Giving Girl, from her transparent dots and from the kit, and a little dumbbell thing, a little free weight thing, just to mark that I did some yoga and cardio. And for my gratitude, I wrote backyard, because I was grateful that they came over to help with the backyard. So moving on to Tuesday, I am going to take a checklist from the kit and just write my goals, Target and Starbucks, since I had to run some errands on Tuesday. And then I'm going to take a little quarter box from the kit and a pizza box icon from Honey Inked, because we got some Domino's. Because it's election night, I didn't really feel like cooking nothing. I just wanted to kind of, go out and, well, not go out, but have some easy food, delivered. Then I'm taking a bow accent circle from the kit, and then I was going to use this cute little bow from this Honey Inked sampler, but I don't know. It's this bow, and then the circle has a bow, and I was like, yeah. So I took that off, and it kind of messed up the ink, but it was okay because I'm just going to layer it with a bunch more icons. So I'm going to take a transparent icon. I'm going to take an icon from the kit. I'm going to take a little teardrop. It's like a chat bubble. I'm going to take a little pumpkin, little tiny pumpkin deco from Simply Watercolor Co. You know, just gonna put everything. Just to mark that I had a little heart to heart with a family member on Tuesday. So, you know, you just gotta, you know, the election stress, it's a lot, the coronavirus stress, you know, sometimes you just have to, you know, slow down and have a heart to heart. So, also, I'm going to put this little heart in, which I kind of wish I had just put, instead of all the massive amount of icons, I kind of wish I had just put the heart in the bow accent circle, but I didn't realize I had the heart until like it was too late. So I was like, oops, oh well, it's still cute. I'm going to use it because obviously I wrote heart to heart. So first I'm going to take this little flourish from Honey Inked, and then I have this cute heart, which again would have been perfect in the circle, but whatever, from Honey Inked as well. So, that was what I did on Tuesday. What did I even go? I went to Michael's to get, what did I even go to get? Oh, I can't remember anything. Okay, I remember. I went to Michael's to go and get their mini Recollections, like, holiday planner. So I'm going to be so excited to haul that and then, like, kind of show a video of me moving into it and kind of, like, you know, getting ready for the holidays. Tuesday's gratitude was just pizza because, like, Domino's is delicious. Wednesday I'm going to start at the bottom. Sorry, this is kind of cut off. I didn't even realize I was like not in frame. Sorry. I'm going to take a half box from the kit and then some more, you know, those transparent dots from the Giving Girl to mark, that, I don't know. I didn't have anything to mark like Halloween or whatever with. So I'm just using the dots with one of those pumpkins again, but a bigger pumpkin, just to mark that I took down the Halloween decorations on Wednesday. Sad day, but I took them down. And then I'm going to go ahead and just, I'm using this like TN that I have just to like, you know, write. It makes it easier to write next to the coil. And then I'm going to take a bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. to put in that spot there because like nothing could really fit there. So I'm just going to put a little divider in there. And then yeah, Simply Watercolor Co. I mentioned that. Okay, I'm just making sure I mentioned everybody. Those little the little pumpkin deco dots are like $2 Tuesday that I got. It was like her Simply Foiled Tuesday from like way back in like July, I feel like. July or August. I don't know, but they were so cute. I knew I was going to want them and they are paying off. Then I'm going to take one of the like fun size box label things from the kit and layer that with a scalloped circle deco from Cozy Paper Co. That's a shop that I PR for. And just write simmer pot because I did my first little simmer pot of the season. Also taking these little apples from Aurora and Avalon Creations, but that is a shop that closed down. So I'm just using the apples because I did put apples in the simmer pot. And then I'm going to take a transparent arrow circle from the Giving Girl. I haven't used those in a while, but that's because I haven't been using like pinks and golds in my planner, you know, for like Halloween and stuff. So happy to see those. Those are very cute. I'm also going to take a little side bow to go on the apple because my life is complete with side bows. And it's my last side bow from that sheet of little Simply Foiled Tuesdays from Simply Watercolor Co. Then I'm going to take one of these scalloped quarter boxers from the kit and I'm just going to layer that with some, you know, dots and one of the teardrop money icon, $ icons to mark budgeting since I just needed to like go and update my budget. And then I'm going to take it's like a page, it's called like a pen marker divider from the Giving Girl, just to, you know, fill in that little space there, that little gap. And then for my gratitude on Wednesday, I'm just going to write in support because I'm just so grateful for the support from my family and my friends, even my planner friends, and just grateful for that. I check marked the takedown Halloween, but that was kind of off frame because I don't know, Tuesday or Wednesday I was just like not paying attention. Thursday I'm going to take a checklist and just write in Dollar Tree, groceries, and Starbucks. I had to go to Dollar Tree to get a wreath, like a wreath hanger. That's the word. Because I have this really pretty, if I do say so myself, fall wreath that I made last year, and I could not find like my wreath hanger. I'm just missing so many. There was at least a whole box of Halloween decorations I could not find for the life of me, and I can't find all of my fall ones either. Our garage is just such a mess, and I cannot wait to get that in order. Once I'm finished kind of reorganizing my office, we're going to tackle the garage. So anyways, I'm going to also take a box from the kit and then layer that with a heart icon from Clever Got Crafts and layer that with a transparent book icon from Honey Inked, since we did, well, actually, I did some reading. Usually I do read with my husband. We read a novel together. It's part of an epic fantasy series saga thing. And we do read that together, but I am waiting for my rental from Libby. So we can't read that yet, so I've just been reading like my own books. So I read that while we waited, and then I'm just adding some pretty flourishes from Honey Inked just to fill in those gaps. And then what am I doing now? Oh, and then I'm going to take another box from the kit and layer that with some dots, of course. And then I have this really cute, like, sheet of transparent icons from the Giving Girl from like a sampler. And this is like this adorable little like eyebrow that's on fleek with little tweezers in the bow because I did need to do my brows on Thursday. Then just to fill in that weird little gap there, I'm going to take a cute little pumpkin divider from Simply Watercolor Co. from, you guessed it, a Simply Foiled Tuesday. My gratitude for Thursday, I wrote that I was grateful that I closed my rings because it's kind of hard, like I've explained, it's kind of hard for me to close my fitness rings on my watch. So I did manage to do them on Thursday. Friday, I'm going to take, well, at first I started with this little scallop corner because I wanted to mark, you know, the new holiday cups and the new holiday drinks at Starbucks launched on Friday. But I just didn't like the way it looked. Like it's the same, the box is the same color, the box above it is the same color as the scallop, and I don't know, the cup didn't look like super pretty layered with it, so I'm just going to change that and use one of these little like arrows, but I'm going to move it down because I didn't like how the two bows were both on the left-hand side. I know, picky, but I'm going to move it down, and then I'm going to use one of these really pretty pumpkin like coffee cups with this cute little bow on the corner. Just write in the holiday cups at Starbucks. I was there right when they opened. I actually got there at 4:10 in the morning because I don't know, like I just thought I heard stories about people lining up like an hour before they open, and all these scalpers always come in my area and take all of the cups. And I was like, I just really want a cup, and I think it's not fair that, you know, everybody takes them all and then sells them on eBay for $300 a cup. It's just ridiculous, and I'm not going to pay that price. And I was like, I'm going to just, you know, get up early and do it. So I got up at 3:30 in the morning and headed over to Starbucks at 4:10, and then I waited outside, and I was first in line, and there was nobody there until a whole 10 minutes before they opened. So I was like, dang, was it really necessary for me to be here at 4:10 in the morning? I don't think so. But anyways, I'm going to use that scallop and then a little computer teardrop icon just to write that we had some maintenance at work, my part-time job, and it was so stressful. And then a little flourish thingy from Honey Inked and another mandala from Honey Inked because there wasn't really anything else I did on Friday. For Friday, I was grateful for hope because I was still hoping and praying that Biden won this election. But yeah, the maintenance was on Friday and Saturday. Oh, and then by the way, Tuesday, when I'm starting Saturday, the first thing I did was go back to Tuesday and write in who won that election. So it was amazing. Anyways, but then we're going to move on to Saturday. The maintenance is just so annoying because a lot of students were calling in like, oh, it's not working. And I'm like, I know. I don't know what to do about it. And so anyways, stressful. But starting off on Saturday, I'm going to go ahead and use this little heart bow accent thing that comes in the kit and just wrote Biden number 46 because he is our 46th president. They officially called it on Saturday. And then I'm just writing in the movie that we watched, our little family movie night on Saturday. It was called Magic Camp. I think it was on Netflix. And I'm writing in my gratitude, first Black female vice president. Amazing. Anyways, I highly recommend Magic Camp. It was such a good movie. There was so many positive messages, believing in yourself, appreciating your family. There was like the main what do you call them? The main characters were like people of color. There was like a boy who liked fashion and nobody made fun of him for it. Like, and it was hilarious. Such a good movie. 10 out of 10. Go watch it. Even if you don't have like a family, go watch it. It's hella funny. But especially if you've got kids, go watch it. It's such a good family movie. It's got that one guy from Pitch Perfect. He was also in Workaholics. Anyways. So moving on to Sunday, I'm just going to take another one of those bow accent boxes from the kit, and then I've got a football sticker from Wild Summer Designs. She is closing up shop temporarily, so I don't know if you can get that. I'm just going to layer that with some dots and a little side bow from the Giving Girl, just to write in that we had a close Raiders game on Sunday. It was like really close. We almost lost it. think we need to pick up on the defenses a little bit. Anyways, for my sidebar, for my checklist, I just also happened to clean the litter box, so I just wrote that in there for the third item. And then I'm going to take another, I think these are called bow accent boxes, and just write in yoga, because that's pretty much all I did on Sunday. Oh, and I'm also going to take a rescheduled script from the Giving Girl. I love her font. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to write it, or not write it, I'm going to cover up that video, because this video was going to go up on Sunday. It was going to be a collab, but then that just got rescheduled. So my plan with me did not get uploaded Sunday. And then I'm just going to do a bunch of deco over this box. I don't know, it just kind of came to me. I thought it would look cute. So I'm taking some little dangly things from the Giving Girl. And then I've got a little swirly divider from My Newest Addiction. And then, I've also got that little page flag from the kit too. I love how she's got this like just little hidden like page flag things on the washi sheet. It's really, and I love them. They have so much little foil and little leaves on them are so cute. Anyways, gonna do that. And then I'm gonna take a little pointy arrow bow thing from the kit, and then a couple, like a dot and a teardrop with a dumbbell or free weight. What are those called? I don't even know. To do that. Then I'm also gonna take some check marks from the Giving Girl. This is like such a heavy Giving Girl kit, because I do F heavy with the Giving Girl. So I have these, it's from the sampler sheets from her older kits. And they're just little check marks in gold foil. And so I'm just going to go through and just check mark all of my checklists. I don't know, because I like the way it looks better. I don't always do that, obviously, but I like with hers, because they're foiled checklists, you know, the ink can just, like, I don't know. I like the foiled ones. The foiled checklists go good with foiled check marks. You know what I'm saying? But if it's like a non-foiled checklist, you know, then I just like check it off with a pen. Anyways, I'm going to go through and do that. Then I had to use another sheet with checklists too, because that one obviously ran out, or check marks. Anyways, and then this second sheet I noticed has these cute little like stars and things, and little tiny stars deco on them. And I don't know, I figured I had it out, so like might as well go ahead and, you know, add some little stars here and there. So I'm gonna decorate with all the stars on this sheet and use them up all over the planner, all over the spread. And then that just pretty much sums everything up for this plan with me. I actually almost forgot to write in Sunday's gratitude, but I do go back and write that in. So for Sundays, I don't know why. I think I did that last week too. I think I like just didn't even remember to do it. I just totally forgot in my last memory plan with me. Oh well, weird. So for my Sunday gratitude, I wrote the MPP fam, which is, you know, the Moon Prism Planner fam, because I am so grateful to have y'all here. I'm so grateful that you watch my videos every week, and you always leave me comments, you always give me thumbs up, you know, I see it and I appreciate it. So that is it for this plan with me. So thank you so much as always for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, because y'all know I appreciate it and I am grateful for your support. Definitely make sure you're subscribed if you don't want to miss any more of my videos. I do upload 2 to 3 videos a week, so if you subscribe, you will be seeing my videos in your feed regularly, and you won't miss any of them. I swear. And yes, I do act like this all the time. Hi, this is me. I'm Lisa. Be sure to leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to chat and say hi, because I respond to all of my comments. And and make sure you leave me a question if you want to be featured in my Q&A when I do that in a few months or whatever. Anyways, hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you for being here, and I will see y'all in my next week's video. Bye.